Welcome to Sektor News Travel Channel. Eskişehir Atlihan, a unique cultural experience. Located in the heart of Eskişehir, a city in northwestern Turkey, Atlihan is a unique cultural center that showcases the country's rich equestrian heritage. This historic complex dates back to the 16th century, and it has been meticulously restored and renovated to serve as a modern cultural hub that offers a range of experiences for visitors of all ages. At Atlihan, visitors can witness the art of horsemanship and learn about the history of equestrian culture in Turkey. The center features a stable that houses some of the most beautiful horses in the region, and guests are welcome to interact with the animals and learn about their care and training. In addition to the stables, Atlihan also boasts a museum that showcases the history of equestrianism in Turkey. The museum features a range of artifacts and exhibits that highlight the country's long-standing relationship with horses, including traditional costumes, saddles, and other equipment used in horseback riding. One of the highlights of a visit to Atlihan is the opportunity to watch traditional equestrian performances. The center features a large outdoor arena where skilled riders perform breathtaking feats of horsemanship, including acrobatics and synchronized routines. Visitors can sit back and enjoy the show, or even participate in some of the activities themselves. Atlihan also offers a range of classes and workshops for visitors who want to learn more about equestrianism. Guests can take riding lessons or participate in workshops on horse care and training. The center even offers classes on traditional Turkish equestrian sports, such as archery on horseback. Beyond its equestrian offerings, Atlihan also serves as a hub for cultural events and activities. The center hosts regular concerts, theater performances, and art exhibitions, showcasing the best of Turkish culture to visitors from around the world. Overall, Eskişehir Atlihan is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in Turkish culture and equestrianism. With its beautiful horses, stunning performances, and rich history, Atlihan offers a unique and unforgettable cultural experience that is not to be missed. After this video, do not forget to watch the video of the Eskişehir fairy tale castle.